Here in this Excel sheet, I have used yellow, green and blue colors for highlighting some of the cells. For sorting the data on the basis of cell color, for example the color yellow, select any of the cells in the data range, go to Data tab, click on Sort, and here we have the Sort dialog box. We have to define the criteria here. First one is column. In our case, we have colored cells in the column B. That is the column for region. Select region from the drop-down list. Now the second criteria, sort on. There are 4 options available. Select cell color. Now the third criteria, order. I will click on this down arrow and here I have the colors which I use to color the cells. Right now I want to sort the data on the basis of yellow color. So I am selecting the color yellow. We have another option related to order, and here we can specify whether the sorted data to appear in the top or bottom of the list. Let it be on top. Click OK. And we just sorted the data in column B on the basis of cell color. All those cells with yellow background came to the top of the list. If you see here, the cells with green and orange colors are still not in order. To sort the data in those cells, click on Sort. To define more conditions, click on Add Level. And here we can define the conditions for second level of sorting. That is, after done with the sorting for cells with yellow color, data will be sorted again for the conditions specified in this level. So the column will be again region, sort by color. Let the second color be blue. To add one more level, click on Copy Level. Change the color to green. Click OK. And the data is sorted based on the conditions which we specified. First for yellow, then blue and green. When we sort the data on the basis of cell color, the values in the cells has no effect on this operation. Here in this sheet, I have colored the cells in a random fashion. Some of the cells contain null values. Now I will sort this data on the basis of cell color. Cells colored with conditional formatting can also be sorted using this method. I will apply 2 rules to this data range. First rule is to highlight the top 10 among these values. We'll highlight them in light red. Second rule is to highlight the bottom 10. We'll highlight it with light green. To bring this top 10 and bottom 10 to the top of the list, sort, column will be sales, sort on, red color, copy the level, sort on green color for the second level, and you can see here the top 10 and bottom 10 values are in the top of the list. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any video releases. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.